Hello?
Hey, Dr. Dispatch.
Hey,
Our
what's
client
up?
Bhal-Mart just called and they need some loads moved today. I can't fit these into our current schedules. Can you take a look and get these loads scheduled as soon as possible?
Let's see what we're working with. Time to smoke the brisket. All right, let's see what we're working with here. We are looking for some high priority loads. So let me check out my load screen, apply a quick filter, see how much he's actually freaking out about. So we have, let's see, 23 high priority loads for Bhal-Mart. We're gonna try to get all these trips planned really quickly here. So let me just throw all of these into the optimization engine. And honestly, they look like pretty good value loads with some decent mileage. So I'm just gonna use my system default mode here rather than going into anything specific. And I'm gonna run that optimize. Bulk optimization is successful already. Man, let's zoom over here to my plan. Look at that. All 5-star ratings. Everybody's getting out of Georgia. I think we're good to go. I'm gonna lock these in. I love LoadAi. Might as well call them.
Great work, Dr. Dispatch. You got all those loads scheduled and got a driver out. And that only took you about 10 minutes?
Yeah, actually it only took me 2 minutes, but I felt like you needed to sweat for cutting me off. And it was 23 loads. Details matter. Remember that next time.